Hi guys! Nagbili ako ng banana, puso ng saging. Ito ang price niya, $9.70. Ganyan lang siya kalaki guys. Yan guys, lagyan natin. Mainit. Mainit ang kasi siguro na rin ito sa loko. Lagyan po natin ito ng asin para mura ito. Hindi na matalimata ito guys. Teka, nakakang natin. Hindi siya matalim. Yan guys, nagkataan ko ito ng tulingan. Kung kasi kami natin magpagandang may gulay guys, ang ito is na gulay. Bumili rin ako ng gulay, saka sitaw. Meron pa ako dyan ang palito. Kailangan natin lutuin bago sayang natin sila kasi ang harap naman guys. Ito na rin guys. You done your assignment?
Almost. I'll finish tomorrow. Yeah. Because Jordan called me, he said around 45 now. That's it. So I can't take it by way.
Be careful, huh?
Okay.
You picking you up?
Yeah. He's coming now.
Okay.
I don't think. Are you picking me up?
I don't know.
I think so.
We'll see. If I can pick you up. What time you guys finish? Huh? Matt. Ito na guys, lagyan ko tong asin, tapos i-ano natin, para mawala yung dagta. What time you finish? Ayan guys, ayan na guys, na anoan ko na yan, pigaan. Guys, luto na yung gulay na puso ng saging ginataan. Tapos nilagyan ko ng tulingan. Kain tayo! Kain na tayo guys! Luto na ang aking ginataang puso ng saging.